Hello everyone, my name is Abby. Today I'd like to introduce a deburring machine. It is mainly used for sheet metal parts, stamping parts, and machined parts to remove burrs and fillet processing. I prepared several different materials and different specifications of the material for you to demonstrate the actual processing effect. The first is carbon steel. Let us measure it. 10 millimeters. And then we input the corresponding value in the program. The sighting operation is very simple. Beginners can easily learn it in 5 minutes. Parameter sighting includes machining head, spindle speed, alternate speed, transmission speed. And next we put in the workpiece and we can start processing. The conveyor belt is equipped with magnetic adsorption function, such as carbon steel, iron. This can be firmly attached to the belt. But like stainless steel, these materials cannot be attached. We need to open the negative pressure adsorption. We can see that the 4 rollers rotate alternately to process the workpiece. For safety reasons, the door is not allowed to be opened when the machine is running. In order to let everyone see the working state clearly, this is an exception. Finally, let's look at the processing effect.